Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. Let's continue with different conversational topics. Booking a hotel room. I need to book a hotel room for my forthcoming trip. Can you tell me what hotel I should go for? Sure. Tell me, do you have a specific choice of hotel in mind? I'm just thinking about staying at the Holiday Inn. Good choice. What exactly the type of room are you looking for? Preferably a double room with a nice city view. Do you have a specific date in mind? Yes, from March 15th to March 20th. Let me first check availability. It looks like they have rooms available for the above mentioned date. How much is the nightly rate? It's $120 per night. Does that include breakfast? Of course, breakfast is included in the rate. Besides, what amenities does the hotel offer? They facilitate you with a gym, a pool, and free Wi Fi. Can I cancel the reservation if needed? Yes, there is a set time for free cancellation up to 24 hours before check in. Great! I would definitely love to book it. All set now. You'll receive a booking confirmation shortly. The next conversation is about seeking legal advice. I need to seek for legal advice. Can you recommend me someone top professional in this field? Sure. What type of legal issue are you facing with? It's a business related issue. I recommend you should contact Spencer and Associates. They specialize in business law. How do I schedule a meeting with them? You can call their office and arrange an appointment online. What specific documents should I bring to the consultation? Bring any relevant contracts, correspondence, and identification. How much usually they charge for a consultation? Their initial consultation fee is $100. Yes, they also offer contract review services. Are they experienced to tackle with small businesses? Yes, they do. How long does a typical consultation last? Usually about an hour or a little beyond. Do they offer any free legal resources? Yes, they do have provision of a few guides and templates on their website. Thanks for your help and recommendation. You are welcome. I hope they can finally resolve your issue.